So here we are in beautiful downtown Asheville, North Carolina, and I'm going to take you guys up to visit the first permitted hemp home in America. Let's go meet some of these people that we work with. Why not, huh?
Imagine a world we could live in. Plant these seeds in the minds of our children. Plant these trees and grow a solution. Hemp can save the world.
It's up 3,500 feet on the side of a mountain, and it's a 3,400 square foot home. Their average all-electric energy bill is $75 a month. That's absolutely incredible, and that's all because of our thermal mass insulation utilizing industrial hemp for 12-inch walls around this home.
Hi, I'm Karon Korp. Welcome to our hemp home. Come in. Delighted to have you here today, and I'm happy to show you around our sustainable home built up of hemp materials. And I'd love to show you around. We're about 3,600 feet up on the top of the mountain. We have gorgeous views out here on the deck. This is our den area, which we love to hang out in. It's got a wood-burning fireplace, which is so efficient. It heats this whole upper floor. It's about 1,500 square feet on this main floor. And in the wintertime, it'll heat everything. We have great views directly to the east out here. The floors are ash, and we actually use some of the trees that we cut down on the property to put the flooring down in here. So this is what we call the perch. And we've used a very inexpensive metal railing to bring up the contemporary look. And we have a gorgeous view out to the east. We kept the trees because we really, really wanted to feel like we were completely surrounded by nature. We have gorgeous mountain views, about 270 degrees up here. Of course, the air is really nice up here as well. So come on in and I'll show you around. All of the lights in the ceiling that you see, the majority of the home are the high efficient bulbs, so they burn very, very little energy. As a matter of fact, we've had the air conditioning on just with all of the moisture and the rain. We've got about a 3,000 square foot house. Our electric bill last month was $78. And our kitchen was designed by IKEA, very workable. Of course, Push Design helped us with that as well. The ceilings are something that you never see. It's actually cabinet grade birch plywood on the ceilings, but it brings the whole space open. And Frank Lloyd Wright loved using the clerestory windows, and we really liked the design and the look of the Frank Lloyd Wright homes. So we went with that as well. Everything, all of the appliances are Energy Star. As a matter of fact, we're an Energy Star home, and we just had a discount on our last electric bill because we are, and we're getting our rating for the North Carolina Healthy Built home as well. So in here, a little powder room, and we did some artsy things. The sink is Indonesian river rock. We've got 100-year-old walnut on the slab, and just kind of mixed different materials and went with a very contemporary look. The walls are actually made of corrugated cardboard. It's called Pure Panel. They're 100% recycled. They have a magnesium oxide on it, and they're load bearing, but they're all recycled material. The doors, all the doors on this level are made of the same material, corrugated cardboard. The Ipe floor came out of a warehouse that had been in for 6 years, and so we brought that in. Also, we purchased recycled windows from the famous Grove Park Inn. So any place that we could reuse materials, we really looked to do that, just to use resources that were already available instead of taking new ones out. So this is the master suite. We love this area. We get all of this to ourselves. And we really went with the Zen feel both out front and here in the master bath. So we just wanted to create this whole idea of the house as a sanctuary. And it's kind of like being in a spa, really. So we did the beautiful walk-in shower and just created the open space and windows everywhere. No curtains up because there's nobody up here to see us. So this is our sunset deck out here because we have gorgeous eastern morning views. We watch the sunrise over there. We watch the sunset over here. We have some container gardens up here. and actually have some other gardens down there. You really feel the energy of the house, of course, having it be such a natural product, but we situated the house in the middle of a 100-foot river of chi that comes down the spine of the mountain. We had a dowser come up. So the house is perfectly situated east, west, north, and south, and you can literally feel the energy when you walk in because of this river of chi and because of all the crystals that we put in the foundation. So this is our rec room downstairs where we hang out, watch movies. Husband loves to watch baseball down here on the flat screen. And so we used concrete, did stained concrete, and again, just brought a lot of the recycled materials, reusable materials down here. It's a little more rustic. Have a little exercise area because everyone wants to stay in shape. And we have a far infrared sauna, which is really fabulous, has wonderful health benefits down over here. And so this is just where we like to hang out, and it leads right outdoors. Again, this whole house is about bringing the outdoors in and really feeling like you're completely surrounded by nature. So come on then, step right outside. This is a gorgeous place in the morning with all the birds singing and the sun coming up right over here, surrounded by trees and just enjoying the beauty of nature. And that's what this house is all about. And with the natural products that we used and the hemp construction, you can really feel that when you walk in.